Millimetre by millimetre, a crane the size of the London Eye is edged into place. The vehicle moving it has more than 200 wheels to spread the load. They are all controlled by a little joystick, about the same size as a video game console.
It's taken us approximately an hour to lift the crane up this morning and bring it to the rails. Obviously there's lots of preparation work done in advance of that to make sure the operation is smooth.
To help power them, they will generate their own electricity as the containers they lift are lowered onto the quay.
Ships are getting larger, that means they're getting longer, wider, and probably most importantly, they're stacking the boxes higher. So we need to invest in larger cranes in order to be able to reach the highest boxes on the vessel.
The port is planning on fewer, larger ships in future. And the need is urgent. On Monday, yet another biggest ever container ship to call here will arrive. Paul Clifton, BBC South Today, Southampton Docks.